phone chips, coated lenses, freeze-dried coffee. You see them every day. But what actually is vacuum? One video. GeoWell breaks it down. Vacuum isn't nothing. It's just thinner air than outside, fewer molecules, lower pressure, better vacuum. 1 atmosphere approximately equals 100,000 Pa. The closer to zero, the less gas is left. So, bigger number, better vacuum? Or smaller? Here's the catch. It depends which gauge. A vacuum gauge reads absolute pressure. Smaller number, better vacuum. A pressure gauge reads below atmosphere. The deeper the negative, the better the vacuum. 2 gauges. 2 directions. Check the unit first. So why do some jobs need a vacuum? At normal pressure, air is packed tight. A molecule flies just 70 nanometers before it crashes. Pull a high vacuum, and it flies several meters. That's how electron microscopes work. The beam flies clean, no bumps, sharp image. Same goes for coating, freeze-drying, and semiconductors. Leave air in and things oxidize. Moisture creeps and yields drop. And what keeps it all clean? The vacuum pump. So what's running in your setup? Ever struggled to pick the right one? Drop it in the comments. I'll take a look. Follow GeoWell for more vacuum stuff.